Hey guys, today you're gonna have an experiment, and I just want to go over the simulation and show you how you do the experiment. So it's gonna be two parts. In the first part, you're going to see the effect of force on the acceleration, and in the second part, you're going to see the effect of mass on acceleration. So here you have basically the different surfaces, and then you're gonna select basically no friction, and that's what you're going to go with. And here this is the mass of the cart, and then you can basically have different levels of speeds for the fan. So you're going to start with the low, and then you basically start, play it, and then uh, you are not going to need to wait until the end all the time, but for the first part you can just wait until it passes. And once it passes, you're going to move to the data part. And once you go to the data part, you are going to basically see the time and speed values in here, and this is the graph of it, and it doesn't matter if it's line graph or bar graph, but that's what you have. But in your paper, you are not going to you don't need to go up to 7. I basically made it only the first 5 seconds, so you don't need to make too many calculations or like record too many numbers. So you're going to go up to 5 seconds for all of the measurements. So, but you need to be careful with the 5 seconds, because in the paper it's going to basically ask for the total time. So your total time here, it's 7.4, but you basically disregard that. You only look at your first 5 seconds all the time. So your final time elapsed is 5 seconds, and change in velocity in here 0 to 90. So your change in velocity is basically this number, and time elapsed is basically this number, which is going to be 5 all the time. Alright, so you basically do it like this, and then you go to experiment again, reset it, change it speed to the medium, play it, and go to data. Again, go all the way up. You basically look at the first 5 data, first 5 seconds only, and then reset it, change it to high, play it, and then again go to data. And as you can see, you only have 5 second data for the last one anyways. Alright, so that's your part 1, and for part 2 you're going to basically use those 3 objects, but you can't move them unless you reset it. So you basically, if you put the soda, it's going to be 3, but you need to go with 2 kilograms first. So you need to add the book first, and then again start with well, for this part, you're going to basically set one measurement. So it is going to be the high. So you're basically going to keep your force, your fan speed the same, and then you're basically just going to test for all masses. And again, go to your data, and then check your first 5 seconds and record those. And then add the soda, but again, you need to reset it first. Go to the second object, it's 4 kilograms now. Start it, look at your data. Once you have 5 seconds, you can just stop it. You have your 5 seconds, you're good to go. Now reset it, add the final box, your 6 kilograms, go to data, or you can basically go back and forth. So once you have 5 data, you're good to go. You can just stop it, and now you have your 5 seconds and speed data for all of the measurements. So that's what you are basically going to do. That's how we conduct the experiment. If you have any question, please let me know.